Welcome to Cooking with Asher. I'm Asher. It's spring and it's the start of Passover when the Jewish people eat matzah. Matzah is unleavened bread and it has to be baked in less than 18 minutes. Matzah has been made for thousands of years. Did you know the first matzah making machine was produced in 1838? Daddy and I tried to make it ourselves. We did it over a fire, like the ancients. But this is how it turned out like. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make matzah good. Matzah is called the bread of affliction. It symbolizes humility, and it also helps us appreciate freedom. For real matzah, all you need is flour and water. What I'm also going to be using is extra virgin olive oil from Sicily and sea salt, white chocolate, and pistachios. I'm going to see what pairs best with that. I have dried kiwi, dried strawberry, dried pineapple, and sugared dried ginger. Let's see what pairs with the white chocolate. Dried kiwi. That's good. Dried strawberry. That is yum. Now for the dried pineapple. That's the one. This is sweet. Now for the sugared ginger. No. On a scale to 1 to 10, that's 0. I'm sprinkling flour on my board. In a bowl, I'm putting 2 cups of flour, and to start, half a cup of water. I put another half cup of water, and now I'm smushing it with my hand. I'm going to roll this paper thin so that it's almost transparent. It is very important to put holes in the matzah so that the air can escape and it doesn't turn into pita. I'm drizzling olive oil on the dough. I'm sprinkling a little bit of sea salt. Since this is a dessert matzah, I'm going to cut it into this shape. I preheated the oven to 500 degrees and put the matzot on parchment paper. I'm going to put it in the oven for about 2 minutes on each side. Let's go. At the same time, I'm going to be crushing some pistachios. I actually put it in for 3 minutes on both sides. And now I'm going to try it. This is like matzah but better. Now for the fun part. I'm going to melt the white chocolate into the microwave. Now I'm sprinkling the pistachios and the pineapple into the white chocolate. I'm spreading it onto the matzah. You can drizzle it on, but I spread it on, and I make matzah taste good. Hag Sameach. For the recipe, look below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.